Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Muddy, and looks like my microphone is working. Today we actually have a very special review. It's gonna be one of my first luxury keyboards. It has a metal frame. It's called the Keychron K2. So stick around. This is gonna be probably one of the sweetest keyboards gonna be on this channel, and we will be putting it up against the fabled GK61, and we'll see which one is better in terms of price, reliability, software, and performance. So stick around. We're gonna do the unboxing right now. Alright, so off the bat, the box looks pretty sick. As you can see, it has like a really premium finish. Let's see what it says. It says it's the Keychron K2, a sleek, compact, wireless mechanical keyboard. So as you can see, this is the red switch version, and on the back you can see all the features. So we'll try to go over those when I get on the computer, but let's open this right now. My little Supreme knife. Channel classic. I think I did an unboxing of this knife in my Taobao haul video when I was still doing those. Am I cutting it in the right place is the real question here. And I think I am, so I'm going to keep going. Alright, we're through. And now let's open it up. Ooh, okay. Wait for the focus. Alright. Ooh, look at that. Take off the cover and oh, I can already feel this and it feels wonderful. Look at this. Woo. It feels lubed. Oh, you guys, oh my goodness. This was 80 bucks. This thing, literally built the keyboard with really nice and loose keycaps. And really nice, and it's not shaky at all. Really nice, and oh my, I can't even talk. I'm saying the same thing over and over again. I need to set that down. Oh my goodness. This is in a different league than the GK61 for sure. I mean, wow. So let's see what it has on the side here. Okay, so stock the keyboard comes with Apple keycaps, Command, and that, whatever that is. But apparently it comes with Windows keycaps, so it warned us that we can replace it, and I probably will be doing so as it comes with spares. These are PBT, which is great, and it also comes with a premium keycap puller. And here is the really, really nice cable. It's not braided, but it will do. As you can see, it has a sideways port. Putting that away, we have this, what seems to be a detailed manual here. And yeah, nothing really important, I guess. Maybe Bluetooth instructions and hotkey instructions. So yeah, so we're gonna put that away, and we're gonna get to testing it in game. But I mean, this keyboard just looks stellar. I mean, I have all my expectations are blown away. I cannot wait to finally use a keyboard that's compact and has rapid fire keys. I mean, this feels like my Cherry MX speeds. That's how lubed and nice these feel. Like, this is amazing. And now we'll move on to the next one. Alright, so we updated the firmware, and now we're able to press this button here on the top right to change the effects. And it's as simple as that. As you can see, you can just cycle through them. I'm pretty sure there's no physical software for it yet, but I'm sure they'll be adding one in the future. As you can see, there's the RGB one, which I fancy a lot. This one's also nice. This one's a little bit crazy for my taste. There's a lot. There's a lot. There's really a lot of them. You just keep going. These ones are obviously the press ones. This one's also press. That one's also a press one. And then you move on. I'm pretty sure this one is also press, as you can see. No, this one is. This one is. So it's like the Razer effects, and I really like the Razer effects. So as you can see, I watched a tutorial really quick to see how to use it, and you know what? I really enjoy it. So we're gonna go in game right now with the effects that I like, the RGB, and we're gonna see how it games in CSGO. So guys, we're gonna be doing some 1v1s, and as you can see, these are my actual skins. So I got a fire serpent and gloves, and I'll be upgrading this knife soon. So yeah, anyways, let's move on to this 1v1. Easy. Oh, this keyboard is so nice. Oh no, this is not gonna be fair. This keyboard is just so smooth. Jiggling is so satisfying. Let's see if he's close. Easy. Oh, this is so satisfying. They lubed the switches for sure. If this is not lubed, I'm crazy. I've never felt such smooth red switches in my life. Where's this person? Oh no! Give me those ops. Op round enabled. I want to use some ops on these kids. Keep in mind, I am not warmed up. What you see is what you get here, alright? Oh, there we go. No way. Oh, that's so unfortunate. I thought I got the flick. I can't blame it on the keyboard. Maybe I have to blame it on my mouse, dude. I can't blame it on the keyboard. Keyboard did its job there. The setup is just so clean. Look at this. RGB sticker, RGB keyboard. Okay, the keyboard's just making me feel it myself, dude. This keyboard's great. This keyboard is better than this fire serpent right now. That's what it feels like, a freaking fire serpent. This keyboard just feels like a fire. I've never had such a good keyboard in my life. Like, the build is superb. It feels solid. It's in place. The keycaps are amazing. The font's great. What else could I ask for? No way. Where did I get shot from? There we go. I don't know this map very well, so it's like kind of weird. Yeah, it's kind of weird to play on this map when you don't know it, but I'll get used to it and I'll be able to op a lot better. So yeah, this is basically the whole video right now. Just me and the great noises that this keyboard makes. Yes. So good, so good. Can we get up here? Oh man, how did I do it before? It was so smooth before. They like to come out the right. That seems to be the default way of coming out. What in the world happened? What? Yo, what? Oh no, that's not okay. That's not okay. He knows this map. He knows that's the first place where you check. Man, these I don't even want to touch it. It's so nice. It's so nice. I don't even want to touch it. You know that feeling where you just want to keep something in perfect condition for the rest of its life? Like, that's why people have unhealthy obsessions with collecting stuff. It's because it's just so good that you don't want to like ruin it. But yeah, that was pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed this keyboard. I enjoyed the hell out of this keyboard, dude. This is like the Glorious Model O on steroids, dude. This is like a literal fire serpent. Like, I recommend this 100%. So when I originally planned to buy this keyboard, I didn't really know what I was gonna get. I mean, I was literally just buying something from Amazon randomly. It said it had a metal frame, right? And I was like, okay, this could actually be an actual good keyboard, but you know, there's not a lot of reviews. I don't see a lot about it on YouTube, but you know, I pulled the trigger, and this thing right here, this pretty much solves my problem of needing an enthusiast level keyboard, because I was actually doing a stream where I wanted to like buy and build a keyboard that was like that felt nice with an aluminum frame and you know all those goodies and bits and pieces. But you know, here comes this, an $80 keyboard, right, with these amazing red switches that just feel wonderful and amazing construction, nice keycaps, everything looks clean, and it's like, you know, you couldn't ask for any more from a keyboard, especially since I compared it to that ACO 3068 over there, which is by far better than the GK61. It is more expensive, $30 more expensive, but I mean, you have this, which is $40 more expensive than the GK61. I don't feel like it's even a fair comparison. I mean, I'd rather pay $80 for this than $50 for the GK61. So, I mean, I don't hate the GK61. It's still a great option for someone that can only spend $50. But if you can spend that $80 or $90, definitely opt for something like this. The mileage on one of these keyboards is way greater than the GK61. I mean, you will feel satisfied with this, maybe even until the end game. I mean, for me, this is enough. Maybe in a year, I'll be building my own keyboard and changing my mind and saying like, oh, this is terrible. But I mean, from what I feel, it's such an upgrade from those optical switches on the GK61 that I feel like, I mean, how could anything be better than this? I mean, it's just so smooth, aluminum chassis. I mean, what else could you ask for? I mean, I don't even want to compare it to the GK61 because I feel like, you know, it's a little bit unfair, especially since the GK61 is cheaper. But like in my opinion, it definitely slaughters the AK 3068, and this is the same price. So this is a banger of a good deal right here.